Good day, investors. Welcome to the 11th of March 2015. The trade for today is called Investec or INL, and the last traded price is R102.50. The action on this trade to do is sell. Entry level will be R103.25 on the grey line. Target will be R99.13. Stop loss to be used on the red line is R105.31. Current open trades is the following: RMH and Omnia. Omnia was opened yesterday at 10 March. Looking at the top 40 index, and it's important to watch this. This is the top 40 index of the JSE, and the black line is indicating the momentum and the movement of this index. And currently, as you can see, it's coming physically down here after yesterday. And the 10-day and the 20-day moving average, the 10-day is the red one and the 20-day is the blue one, is almost getting a cross here. And if a cross happens, more downside could be due here, showing and assisting you that the short term and the medium term is starting to lose momentum downwards. Looking at the Dow Jones, they physically closed Tuesday evening 332 points negative due to the fear of interest rates. That could happen in June, very soon. And as you can see, it went down to this red line here on the support here. We're close to support of 17,583 points. So you will see tomorrow morning when you download your system again, the blue line is sitting here. Currently the futures are a bit positive, about 32 points. And the European market's a bit positive, and ours is also a bit positive. Not as yet telling us this is a big breakup happening at all. Let's go to the banking shares. Here's Barclays Bank, and as you can see, Barclays Bank is also losing a lot of momentum here after yesterday's big downward movement. And as you can see here, look at these two red lines coming down. Support was at 181 and it came down to almost 174.90. Standard Bank is struggling on these two highs just to come down. Volumes are quite high, talking about 14 million shares traded, but it's struggling to break this level of 156 Rand. And you can see here on the left side, 156 is the close and 154.74 is the current low to be broken. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, you can also get a confirmation at 153.54. Let's go to MTNs. Now MTN yesterday came down to almost to the level of 216.11, and it came down from this high of 223. Currently testing this 217.68 level here in the short term. The big question is, was this the low, the high, the low, the high? Was this the high of the channel starting to come down again back to the 210 levels? Looking at Vodacom, also lost a lot of momentum yesterday. The share came down almost R1.85 and went through the support of 134, and now it's back here at 132 levels. So a lot of these shares that was on the highs are starting to come down as well. Let's go and look at the retailers. What did they do? Here's Shoprite. If you extend this line here, the red line, you will basically see this next support is at 160. Share went almost down to 159.88, 158, and it started to bounce back. So we need to see what's going to happen in this downside channel as well. Mr. Price started to come down. It broke the support here of the previous day. It came down almost 385. Now that support was close to 260 and it came down almost to 253. Woolies also came down, and if you caught up your Bollinger Bands here, the support was at 88.92, broke it, and it actually ended on 86.85. Next support levels close to the 85 Rand levels, and then the 83.36 Rand levels. So keep a close eye on this one as well. CFR. CFR sideways pattern, broke the green of the Bollinger Band, broke the 102.33 level and get it close to 101.07. That's on CFR. Looking at Old Mutual, now this is quite an interesting one to watch as closely as well. I'm going to use this low levels here and I'm going to extend it there. Now this got a nice ABC pattern, still came down on the pattern, still in a positive channel going upwards. At any time if this share breaks the levels here close to 40 Rand, more downside could be due here to 38.17 in the short term. Keep a close eye on this one as well. But the market seems to be seesawing, and we need to see how the Americans will react after yesterday's big fall in the markets. Greece is also a big factor. Got a big meeting today with the ECB, European Central Banks. So we need to see what will the resolution be there as well. So a lot of things are happening in the market. Enjoy your day.